Spooky English words for Halloween. Let's go. Ghost, ghost. I think I saw a ghost in the old house. I think I saw a ghost in the old house. Witch, witch. The witch flew across the sky on her broomstick. The witch flew across the sky on her broomstick. Haunted, haunted. That hotel is said to be haunted. That hotel is said to be haunted. Pumpkin, pumpkin. We carved the pumpkin into a square face. We carved the pumpkin into a square face. Skeleton, skeleton. The skeleton decoration was hanging on the door. The skeleton decoration was hanging on the door. Vampire, vampire. The vampire only comes out at the night. The vampire only comes out at the night. Zombie, zombie. Zombies walked slowly through the dark street. Zombies walk slowly through the dark street. A spider, a spider. A giant spider web was in the corner of the room. A giant spider web was in the corner of the room. Creepy, creepy. The creepy sound made me shiver. The creepy sound made me shiver. Scary, scary. That horror movie was really scary. That horror movie was really scary. Monster, monster. A monster was hiding under the bed. A monster was hiding under the bed. Bat, bat. Bat flew out of the cave at sunset. Bat flew out of the cave at sunset. Potion, potion. The witch made a magic potion in her cauldron. The witch made a magic potion in her cauldron. Darkness, darkness. The darkness made everything look spooky. The darkness made everything look spooky. Scream, scream. I hear the loud scream in the distance. I hear the loud scream in the distance. Mommy, mommy, the mommy came back to life in the movie. The mommy came back to life in the movie. Candle, candle, a candle flickered in the haunted house. A candle flickered in the haunted house. Black cat, black cat. A black cat crossed the road in front of me. A black cat crossed the road in front of me. Blood, blood. The vampire had blood on his lips. The vampire had blood on his lips. Mask, mask. He wear a scary mask for Halloween. He wear a scary mask for Halloween. Werewolf, werewolf. The werewolf howled at the full moon. The werewolf howled at the full moon. Cemetery, cemetery. The cemetery look spooky at night. The cemetery look spooky at night. Cobweb, cobweb. Old cobwebs covered the corners of the room. The cobwebs covered the corners of the room. Cauldron, cauldron. The cauldron was full of boiling green liquid. The cauldron was full of boiling green liquid. Shadow, shadow. A dark shadow moved across the wall. A dark shadow moved across the wall. Spell, a spell. The witch cast a spell on the village. The witch cast a spell on the village. Fright, fright. The loud band give me a fright. The loud band give me a fright. Horror, horror. I love reading horror stories in October. I love reading horror stories in October. Jack-o'-lantern, jack-o'-lantern. We put a candle inside the jack-o'-lantern. We put a candle inside the jack-o'-lantern. Full moon, full moon. The full moon made the night extra spooky. The full moon made the night extra spooky. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.